In this video, I'll show you how to start your first channel and the basic settings you need to make. Start by logging into our TV Boss Fire account. You can add a new channel or manage your existing channels from the Channels tab. To start a new channel, you need to click the plus button on the right side of your screen. As you can see here, we need to add some information. Some data like a channel name and a description. Really easy. As you can see from our tooltip message, the channel description shouldn't be longer than 200 characters. You also need a channel icon that will be used mostly by Amazon Fire. This icon must be 114 by 114 pixels in JPEG or PNG format. It's recommended to use the same channel title and description cross platforms, so what you use here you should be using when you set up your accounts inside your Roku or Amazon accounts. Also keep in mind some of the networks like Amazon mostly will use the channel title and description in search queries, so you want to optimize them for your search. Place some keywords into your title or description and so on. If you followed our preparation video, the setup process will be easy. Put in the data from the files you've made and fill in the sections. Replace the dummy information we've already filled in for you. The channel description, upload the channel icon image. It's important for you to use the same information for your TV Boss Fire setup like the information you'll use when you set up your account in Roku and Amazon. When you've finished, click the save button. And that's the basic setup. Before moving forward, you can go back to the main channel settings page and here you'll see a channel pretty link. You can customize it and it will be visible. For example, in the About channel page or on the Watch channel page links. It can be customized, for example, with your channel name or whatever keyword you want to use. In this case, I'll use travel tips. Save the channel again. With this completed, now your first channel has been made. Now let's move on and into the video tabs in our next video.